Hello.
Hello,
Hi.
this is Hazel with your
Hello.
old age benefits. How are you doing
Hi.
today?
Hi.
I'm calling because the updated plans for
Hi.
Medicare have just been released, and it may give you some better access to things like dental, vision, hearing,
Hello.
and over-the-counter benefits. Now, I believe you
Hi.
do have Medicare Part A and B, correct?
Hello.
Okay, this is all the information that I need for my
Hi.
side to check your eligibility, and it does look like you qualify. I'm gonna go get a licensed agent to get you some more detail.
Hello. Hi.
Hi, my name's David. How you doing today?
Hi, I'm doing great.